Tools that we use for the dig, we have an angle grinder with a diamond blade. This is to notch the floor before we dig, so hopefully we don't do any major cracks. This is the sledgehammer we use, an 8-pound. Regular shovel, a trowel to move the gravel around, and then the hilty here. Okay, so we use a drill bit, and then there's also another bit here that we used for chipping away concrete. That's all we needed. Okay, so here we're about to do the dig for the first bathroom. Right there should be where the shower is. Here's the toilet. That's gonna be the vanity. So what we got here is we pre-drew in where the lines are. That's where the drain's gonna be, right there, for the shower. Where the toilet is, you want 30 inches on each side from center. Score it first, and start chiseling away. So we're about to start the second hole here. What we did was first score the ground with the angle grinder with the diamond blade. It cuts pretty easily. But the whole point is that we don't want it cracking further. You don't have to do this. I'm just doing it just in case. It took probably 5 minutes to score everything so that we can now continue digging along here, okay? So before even scoring, what we did was marked where the drain should be. So I put the bottom plate over the shower that I plan to put in, marked it up. The center of the drain should go right here, aligned with what's on the studs right there. So at least I know where to stop, where to start, where the drain has to be, okay? So my prediction is that the drain is gonna run across from here, okay? Now let's see if it actually does. I started initially with a quick small hole, small enough that I can start taking out the gravel. Because once I take out the gravel underneath, it becomes hollow. So once I take out the gravel underneath, it becomes hollow, I can move all the dirt underneath it and just start smashing with a sledgehammer. That way it's easier, it's less dust, less noise. It's just an easier process. So yes, this concrete is very hard and solid, but once it's hollow underneath, it's actually easy for us to break apart with a sledgehammer right there. So we're almost completed the trench here. Just one big problem. My estimated depth and location of where the main drain is not actually there. So we've dug 2 feet deep here and we still can't find it. Based on how deep the clean out drain is back there, we're way further than we should be. So it's not here. This is what you're not supposed to do. Do not start digging before you figured out where the drain is. So get the plumber to come in, get them to bring their camera, and get them to actually draw out and mark out where the main drain is, how deep you're supposed to go, so you know exactly what you're doing. So again, this is what you're not supposed to do. With my plumber today, he's obviously camera shy. This is my boy Trevor.
Hey, what's up, what's up?
Toronto drains, right?
Toronto drains and waterproofing.
Toronto drains and waterproofing. I'm here with my plumber Trevor here. So what we're doing here, we're just gonna throw this camera through the drain. We just cut the main plumbing stack so we can find out where the main plumbing drain runs. So if you saw me yesterday, I was defeated as hell because I could not find shit. And that's why I gotta call the professional.
Now we're gonna locate it.
Yeah. So the goal here is to locate it. Apparently this camera right here runs through the piping, and then Trevor's able to pull whatever thermal imaging.
No, it's an actual screen. Check it out.
It's the actual screen. Oh.
Like, look at you. You're a TV.
Oh shoot.
You're a star.
Right there.
So shoot back over here. So you'll see at the bottom of the screen too. That it keeps track of how many feet we go.
Oh, true. So clay pipe's right there. The hole I was digging right there. So I was not that far off. 1 foot away. 1 foot away from the goal. Just like that.
Just like that.
I'll try to press play.
Sister the guy.
I got it.